You want to find a friend in the kitchen. My friend is the fryer. So one of the things I like to do is take any kind of starchy vegetable. Here we're using some yams, some garnets really, and they have a red exterior. So by boiling it, I don't have to worry about it overcooking in the fryer. I know that the inside texture is perfect. And then I just pop it in the fryer, let it go for about a minute, and then I have this wonderful crispy exterior. And always, and I mean always, have you a rack with a sheet tray when you're ready for anything that's gonna be fried so that you can really let anything extra fall off. Eggplant is fantastic in the fryer. And into the fryer she goes. Eggplant's out, a little bit of salt on that as well. You can also do some herbs. So I'm gonna take off some basil and then just step back. See that? The bubbles on the outside means that it still has some water in there and it's still cooking. Now that basil is crunchy, delicate leaf that's now very crunchy. You hear that? Wow. There's so many tricks you can do with the fryer. I hope that it becomes your friend.